From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on today's Cash Close. Whoosh, what a day. You know what I'm going to call this video? I'm going to call it Going Back to 1960 Even Soon. The high of the day in the S&P came in at 1953 even just now. The low came in at 1938 even off the open. And last, we're 1952.30. We're up 9.1 handles. Total volume, 1.4 million minis trade, 3,500 big S&Ps trade in the pit. MOC, oh boy. I called this perfectly. I knew that there was going to be a MIM flip, and exactly that came out as it did. The MIM showed like 110 million to sell when it started out, and I called it. I said it'll be small to buy, and MOC, it came out by 200 million. Tomorrow we've got the jobless claims number. We got the personal income and outlays number. We got Jeffery speaking. We got the API, the crude inventory numbers. We got the Kansas City manufacturing survey. We got James Bullard speaking. We got the Fed balance sheet, and we got money supply. Whoosh! Now look, we've had a decent amount of we got a decent amount of Fed speak and economic releases tomorrow. Excuse me, I'm looking at my thing. And what I think is that we're going for another little bit of a pullback tomorrow, and then we're going back up. You know what? Every time the S&P sells off 10, 15, 20 handles, the bears come running back in. And, we're going to kill this thing, and it never happens. But you know, I want to go back a little. I want to go forward a little bit. Now, first this is from the Stock Traders Almanac. Pound Jeff Hirsch, my man. Now look, the week after the quad witch, that's this week, they got the Dow down, 14 of the last 23 occasions. I don't know about that. We had a little bit of a down almost 0.8% yesterday, but I don't know how they're going to get that unless there's a Funkadunk coming. And then the Monday of the end of the second quarter, let me read this correctly, has the Dow down 21 of the last 23 occasions. And then turnaround Tuesday, I want to add this thing. But on Monday, which is the last day of the quarter, it's also Mutual Fund Monday, which has been up 10 in a row. And then last but not least, we've got the first trading day of July, which has the Dow up 19 of the last 24 occasions. And last but not least, I just think with the shortened week next week, with the exchange closed early on Thursday, and then you've got the exchange closed all of Friday for the 4th of July, it's going to be a squeeze job to the upside and a big-time thin-to-win trade exactly like we're seeing today, exactly like we're going to see next week. I'm sorry, Bears. I'll see you tomorrow on the opening print.